Hey everybody, welcome to Summer Showcase, and today I'm outside and I'm thinking about one of our clients. Her name is Donna Ceriani, and Donna I met about 4 years ago. I was in the same mastermind as Donna, and stunning lady, super smart. Always thought, one day I'd love to work with a lady like that. And funny enough, I did a Facebook post and she messaged me and said, I've heard you speak and I've watched you, and I always thought one day I want to work with Jonathan. It's like, get out. So anyway, we had a phone call and she bought our social media boot camp, went right through the boot camp, loved it so much, decided to join us for our power content course, a blogging course, learned so much through that. And she said, I've got to be honest, I've had 3 websites in my life for her business and I've hated the process each and every time. But I know I need a new website. But because she got a feel for who we are through me and power content and Lindsay together, and then she knew what social media should look like, she said, I'd like to work with you guys and create a new website for me. And because we'd already worked with her already, it was kind of easy to do. Not super easy, but easy. And we created a new website. You can check it out. It's donnaceriani.com. And we were able to pull out 2 facets of Donna's life, which is complete opposites. She lives in Jupiter Beach, Florida, so all the way through the summer, life's a beach. She goes walking with the dog, cocktails on the patio, all that sort of thing that you expect about living in Florida. But then in the winter time, Donna's a snow bunny. She snowboards all over the Vale and Aspen and all the different mountain ranges you can think of across North America. And that's where her business gets done with her clients. She's a IT consultant and she works with women predominantly in the IT industry, helping them sort of up-level their career. So she does both. And if you look at her website, you'll see Donna and mountains like this black diamond run and what it looks like to work with Donna, and you'll see her in ski gear and summer gear. And we just got her as a person. We got her as a personality. And we have a loving testimony that you'll read below, but she just loved working with us. She loved the experience. That I never thought building a website and creating a personal brand could be this much fun. And finally, you guys have redeemed the advertising agency world for me, because this was just awesome. And that's the kind of work we do. We meet great people. That's why you should always be in a mastermind. That's why you should always be networking, because you never know when one of these germinating seeds is just ready to pop through. I had met Donna. I was super impressed. I didn't know that in her heart one day she wanted to work with us. We did. And now we're in maintenance mode. We host a website. We keep it up to date. Sometimes a sign of our job being done well is when we're really not needed anymore, except for an up-leveling phase 2, phase 3. So we still stay in touch. Send her a bill once a quarter. She pays it super fast. We just love that, because she's now got a tool that works for her, and she's just doing what she does best, which is helping ladies up-level their career in the IT industry. So my question to you is, do you love your website? Are you embarrassed to send people to it? Are you getting found well online? Does your programs on your website convert into business? If they don't, maybe you and I need to have a chat, because we love to do this kind of stuff. And that's our Showcase Thursday. See you again next week.